Hi, it's Natasha with soldbynat.com here, and today I am with Mr. Kevin Jefferson, the People's Lender. Woo-woo. So we are going to ask a lender today. Speaking of student loans, I know there was a change maybe a couple years ago with how student loans are factored into, to make a loan work.
Right.
How is that affecting people that have a lot of student loans?
It plays a huge part. So I guess it'd be easier to explain. When I first got in the industry, they counted 2% of the remaining balance on your student loan debt.
Okay.
So if you had $100,000 student loan debt, we had to carry a payment of $2,000. Whether you were paying it, it was deferred, or you were on some kind of repayment plan. Well, that $2,000 is typically half of someone's income. So if they have a car payment, then they don't qualify. I think it was July 2016, they changed the rule to where you could count 1%, which ended up letting more people get into homes, even me and my wife.
Okay.
Because we both have student loan debt. They changed that rule and it instantly allows for us to qualify.
Okay.
But the caveat to it is, if you're going FHA, you've got two options: is to carry 1% of the balance, or to have a fully amortized rate, which means the payment is set from payment 1 to payment 240, or however long they extend it out.
Okay.
So if a person has $100,000 in debt, then we have to carry a 1% payment, or we need to find out what that amortized payment is, and they have to get in that payment plan. With conventional, it's a little different.
Okay.
Conventional, you can carry the 1%, but why? If you can use the payment on your income driven or income based repayment plan. Example, that same $100,000 loan, I have a income based repayment plan that says I pay $100 a month. As long as we can document that, that's all we have to carry is the $100 a month.
Okay.
The difference is, though, if you're in deferment and you don't have an income-based repayment plan, I always suggest my people to get into one, because if not, we have to carry the 1%. So if you're in deferment and you're using conventional financing, you have to carry the 1%. Or if you're an income-based repayment plan, we can take that payment, which is typically a lot less than the 1% that we have to account for.
Thank you for breaking that down.
No problem.
To me, because I got that question the other day, and they're like, "Well, they're in deferment." I was like, "Hey, no, there was a change recently, so we definitely need to speak to a lender."
Let's speak to a lender. Yep.
Okay, great, awesome, Kevin. Thank you so much. Make sure you check out Kevin. Kevin, where can they find you?
You can find me on Facebook under Kevin Jefferson Mortgages. You can find me on Instagram at The People's Lender. You can also find me on YouTube under Kevin Jefferson, The People's Lender. And I can be found on LinkedIn under Kevin Jefferson Mortgages.
Awesome. Guys, please go and show Kevin some love. He is so knowledgeable, as you can see. Thank you for watching. If you have not done so already, please go ahead and subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and have a positive, peaceful, and productive day.
Thank you.
Bye.